up, I got another taste testing video. The original cranberry juice cocktail. Some ocean spray, cranberry juice. Those other ones, strawberry and all that, they didn't taste so good. They tasted like medicine. So, real quick, I wanna try this one out. See what this one tastes like. It says it got vitamin C in it. They all say that. But does it really? If you don't believe me, it say it right there. 100% at that. Vitamin C1. Smells like cranberries. Definitely tastes like cranberries. Yeah. It's got the cranberry taste. Real sour. Let me see. Is it gonna give me that bitter aftertaste though? No, I don't think so. You know that bitter aftertaste I'm talking about? That lingers around for a while. You gotta go brush your teeth and your tongue. It ain't gonna give that. I don't think you want to drink the whole can, cause you know what them cranberries do. Flush it right on out. From concentrated. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I would say go for it. It's by Ocean Spray. Ocean Spray normally makes some pretty good stuff. So go check it out. It's cold, so it tastes good. Tastes good, nice and cold. Yeah. I would say I would give it like